Hello and welcome to the GreenecoStyle YouTube channel. Welcome back. You clicked on this video because what are we doing today? We're fixing your collar. You know how it gets like ripped at the bottom there, or at the top, right? We all know this. Everybody that's had a collared shirt, you know this, and you're here for a reason. So we're gonna fix this guy. Did I tell you that I'm a sustainable fashion and lifestyle influencer? Because I am. That's what I do. So let's go. First thing you need is the shirt that you need to repair, of course. That needs mending. You need a stitch ripper. You need thread to match your fabric as well as you can. Some snips. Cut your thread. And a sewing machine. That's it. That's all you need. It's very easy. Yeah, this is my industrial sewing machine. Most people have domestic sewing machines, but today I'm doing it on the industrial. And we're also going to use an iron. If you have one, it's great. If you don't, that's all right, but it'll just be a nicer finish if you have an iron to press your collar. Okay, well, let's get started. Woo! Step one is you're going to want to locate those rips on your collar. Now that you've done that, step two, you are stitch ripping the stitch line that connects your collar stand to the collar flap, just about like an inch or two extra beside where the rips are, so that you can get in there and stitch it up. Step three, whether your rips are like a couple rips or one big one or a couple big ones, it's easiest and it's gonna look the best if you just take one seam. So you'll be stitching on the wrong side of your fabric. There'll probably be fusible there, so that the raw edges, unfinished seam is going to be on the inside of your collar. Always begin and end with your back stitching, and of course clip all your threads so that everything is nice and tidy. Okay, now step 5. Now that you have taken a seam where the rips are, you are going to get your iron and press that flat. Ironing is very important for this step before you put the collar back together. Alright, lastly, step 6. Now that everything's pressed and crispy, you're gonna go back to the sewing machine and stitch that collar stand back onto your collar flap, and just like follow the previous stitch lines that you stitch ripped, I would say. And again, always start and finish with a back stitch. Welcome back. Congratulations, everyone. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. I hope that means that you fixed your collar, because I did. With help of this video. Yeah. So no more holes. You're good. Like, it just looks a little weird because we took a seam, but there's no more holes. So yeah, woohoo! Thanks for joining me on the mending journey again. If it helped you, click that like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and leave a comment below if this helped you, or if it didn't. I'm sorry. But yeah, I like to hear the feedback. I love it. Try the weave and stay hydrated. Until the next video. Make sure you're staying hydrated until the next video. Okay.